for whom this is suitable. This is suitable mainly for three people. That is one, the agencies, second is the freelancers, and third one are the coaches. To build any business today in the online space, you need a system and process to build it. You need a complete software to use it and build it. And all of these are cloud-based. If you look at this, it's a cloud-based method of delivering software to users. And coming to the business opportunity, if you look at here, the market size of SaaS. So if you are willing to move ahead in your business and do something revolutionary to catch it before there is every single agency is doing this, right now you have the opportunity where you can jump in and get started. Because the market size in 2022 is 13 billion US dollars. Okay. By 2030, it's going to move to 50 billion in annual recurring revenue. That means every single year, businesses are going to be investing around $50 billion approximately to renew and keep their subscription of SaaS. So when you look at this, why agencies can't afford to miss starting your SaaS? The reason number one is it's a highly sticky product. Once your client or your business owner comes in, they will absolutely start using it and they can't leave it forever. So what product to sell? So what product are you going to be selling? It's the all-in-one sales and marketing system, which you can see here. You can completely white label this. You can put your logo there. You can have your own domain and you can sell this as your own company. Literally like being a ClickFunnels or a Zoho or any of these platforms, you can name your company and say that I am an alternative to these platforms. That's the powerful all-in-one marketing system that I'm talking about. And let me run you through the 16 automation systems that you can white label and sell it as your own. Now let's understand how this has gone. We've taken a couple of years to build this brick by brick, step by step, and right now we are super proud to show you the all-in-one marketing system, which you can white label on your brand name and start selling it directly. So without taking further time, let's understand. The first one is the digital shop. So this is exactly for service businesses who want to collect money and upload a lot of products and services that they can use in their particular business. So let me show you a quick demo how it works. If I'm going to lead generation here, I can straight away go and build a shop here. And if you copy this link, I copy this here, I just go here, I paste the link here, you will be able to see this particular digital shop. Whatever I'm built here will be able to be seen here. That's available. So people can come in here, they can say 2 BHK there, you can click on buy now, they'll be able to generate inquiries, they'll be able to sell anything and completely there. So let me show you uploading a new product. So let's click on uploading a new product here and straight away you should be able to see the name, the price, and once you go here, the long description, short description, you can have all of this. You can get inquiries, you can get appointments, you can sell it directly, or you can also have a custom link where you want to redirect them. So if your client is of different industry, probably they have an affiliate link or a referral link. In the insurance space, they could easily divert them there. That's the first one, creating your own digital shop with all your products listed. Second one is the landing page builder, where you can straight away go here, create your landing pages using our very own system by just clicking on this, which you can see here. Let's go here and understand. Yeah, exactly. So you can go here, you can create a test, you can understand how the funnels look like, and you can straight away build your own landing page. You can straight away click on that. You can check out the landing page builder. You can create your page builders by dragging and dropping. You can have a lot of customization that you can do, is as good as creating anything right from scratch, or you can even have your own page builders that can be built here. So you look at this, it's a very, very powerful system. So you can directly go here. You don't have to wait. Instead, you can create your entire pages and landing pages right from the all-in-one system. So it's included completely here. So let's go on to the next one. Just give me a second. Yeah. Awesome. So going to the third part, if you look at this, is about the CRM. So when you look at this, you will be able to sell a complete CRM, which is going to be very, very powerful to run the entire business. If you look at here, you can just refresh this and you will have a complete operational CRM where your clients can manage every single lead that they are getting for their business. So they can drag and drop here, they can arrange them in the pipelines, they can also go and check out the opportunities, in the sense they can understand the basic information of name, email ID, phone number, they can tag the contact, they can allot them to a different sales pipelines, they can see the status of the particular lead. It's a cold lead, warm lead, or hot lead, or you can also, your clients can start tagging them as customer or a lead. Okay, and they directly go and update this. They can also check out additional informations, like you want to like ask separate questions you want to create. It has the ability to create that as well. They can also go ahead and add the notes and follow up. So go straight here and you can say that this could be the follow up that you're creating. You can write your text here. You can click on save. So the moment it's saved, you'll be able to like see all the notes available, and also you can schedule a follow up. Maybe you want to like have 2-3 days later, you will need to have a follow up. You can straight away go here and save this particular follow up. And these follow ups will be trackable for your clients pretty easily. They can go to the follow up and they can see all the new updates that's come here, which is available here. So they can straight away like click here and they'll be able to see all those new inquiries that's available, so that they can straight away go here. They can click on yes, the status is completed, and they can also assign this to any of the staff. If you have like staff 1, 2, 3, you can assign this to your staff. So you can completely have the operational pipeline to CRM to contacts, every single thing in one single place without moving from one platform to another platform. So your clients can technically run their entire business using the CRM. And coming to the fourth important is the WhatsApp automation. What best can it be? So when you look at the lead automation here, this entire system is synced with two kinds of WhatsApp. The first one is the WhatsApp sender. So this is the unofficial, but you can still use it to send WhatsApp messages. It's very powerful. So you can go here, send single messages. You can create your templates. You can manage your logs, everything that you can look at here by using this along with the workflows. The second one is a WhatsApp official API. So you can directly integrate your official number here by clicking on apply for WhatsApp business API. Connect that here and you'll be able to track every single information here. You can send multiple templates. You can upload multiple templates. You can send single messages and also use the workflow automation to automate this whole process. Now, how does it work? We can straight away go here and say that whenever I'm getting a new lead, probably from Facebook form, I click on confirm. I can go here and call this as my lead workflow and just click on create. And once it's created, I will be able to go ahead and tag any of those informations. Our workflows are the most powerful that you can look at. You can send the WhatsApp message straight away. You can select the template. The message comes here and it's confirmed. And you can go ahead and say that, okay, delay it for another 1 day. Okay, after one more day or probably like after 12 hours, I want you to send another message on WhatsApp straight away. So you can go here, click on the second template and you can go and confirm this. You can create your workflows using official API and the WhatsApp sender both inside the workflows. So having said that, this is exactly the workflow which I'm showing you here. And you can do a lot more things by sending email, WhatsApp. You can delay it before or after. You can evaluate a condition. So you can check out if this contact has been updated. You can also check if the CRM has been moved from one to another. You can check if this form has been filled. So there's a lot of conditions that you can check for advanced level of automation that you can create. And to operate, you can go ahead and update the contacts. You can convert a lead to customer. Let's say somebody is making a payment and then you want to convert that into a customer. You don't have to do it manually. You can do that automated. And you can tag a contact, you can copy a contact, exit to workflow, update a lot of things that you can do inside the workflow builder. And next is the ad launcher. Ad launchers are the super powerful modules that we've created here, where you can straight away go ahead and create a campaign right from your automation system. So this is going to be completely your name. It is going to be completely your branded system. And the moment you log in here, you will be able to connect your different platforms that's available there, whether it could be Instagram, it could be Meta, it could be LinkedIn, or it could be Google. You can straight away come here, connect it, and the moment you've connected, your clients will be able to launch their own. And if you're a performance marketing company, you don't want this option, you can always hide it. You can create your account and get started from this. Ad launchers are one of the most powerful things that you can launch for your clients. So your clients can launch by themselves. Let me show you a quick glimpse of how a campaign has been created by one of our users who have created and launched their own. If you look at this, astronumerology.world, it's their own domain, it's their own name. So it's completely white label and you can see that this particular ad has been performing here. So coming to astronumerology session, you can see every single part that's available here and it's generating amazing results. It's about 2,700 rupees have been spent and each lead is coming at 11 rupees and that's 253. And this has been used by going ahead and using this through the Facebook forms. Okay, so this is how you can create it, and there's a lot more that you can know. It's like step by step. You can just create on one. You can add your website link here, and it generates completely AI based launch here, which you can understand. So we'll discuss about this further when you get on a call with us to show you more further how you can launch ads through Ad Launcher. And next is the payment ecosystem. So you can run your whole business using the payment ecosystem in the sales and finance. You can create your plans. You could be charging multiple plans here. So you could be charging them a subscription or a one-time payment. So you can go ahead here and create your new plans. Let me show you here. Let's click on sales and finance. And using sales and finance, you should be able to see this. Okay, you can straight away create a product here, which could be a subscription model. So you could be charging somebody monthly. You could be charging somebody yearly. So especially even running your agency. So you can say this could be like social media marketing. And let's say that you want to bill a person every month 5,000 rupees. And let's say the tax slab is about 18%. And you choose a payment gateway here. So it could be Razorpay. And then straight away you can upload an image if you wish to, and then go and create this. So what happens the moment you've created a product like this, you can share this link with any of your clients. And once they're using this, they can click on any name. They can set up their domain here, and they can click on pay now. The moment they click on pay, automatically takes them to the Razorpay, so where they can make the payments directly to you. And every single month, this is going to be created directly, and it's going to be managed in your subscriptions here. If you look at this, every new subscription that you create will be created here, and it will start charging them every single month. And if the invoices are paid, it shows as paid. If it's not paid, it shows as overdue. And you can see this has been created, but it's still pending. Okay, and you can also mark this as paid manually. Suppose, let's say somebody is paid you through cash and you want to mark that, you can click on mark as paid. You confirm the payment, you say yes. Okay, automatically this particular payment will be recorded as paid. Okay, so it's a most powerful way to run the sales and finance. You can connect your own payment gateways, especially if they are a coach. They don't have to pay heavy percentages of 5 or 10%. They can simply use your automation system. And by the way, just keep in mind, this is going to be your own automation system. It would take a couple of years, multiple crores to build this, but you're going to be getting this to start your own SaaS business. That's the power of what opportunity you're getting right now. You can connect your InstaMojo, Razorpay, Stripe, Cashfree, Paytm, any of these gateways and start running it. You can generate reports, and you can also create installments. Let's say somebody is giving you a high ticket product. You can straight away create an installment. You can name the client whom you're going to be giving this to. And also you can go ahead and say what the price of that is going to be, 39,999. You can say somebody wants to pay only 10,000 now, and then they want to like have balance of 29,999. So you can mention 20,000, and finally you can mention 9,999. So having all this, you can straight away create this particular installment option here, where you can decide what date they'll pay this month, what date they'll be paying the next month, and what date they will be paying thereafter. So you can create all of this in one single places, and you can create your installments and straight away start using this in one single place. So this is what is your entire automation system, which you can use. And next coming the student portal. Now this is extremely powerful. The way how you can use your student portal, how your people can access the courses, how does it work is the most amazing thing. So I can show you quickly like one of the other communities which are running here. If you see community that's running here is where you can access all the courses here. You can upload the courses through LMS. I showed you about how you can upload your courses, and straight away these courses can be accessed by students. So this is what it means by student portal. So your students can log in, they can check out all your trainings in calendar. They can check out what is the next training coming in. You can have a private social network that you can give it to coaches or trainers especially. And you can have a leaderboard here. You can have multiple groups and all your billing. So this is where your students or your client students will be spending a lot of time. And this is completely mobile optimized. You can look at this. If you just click on this, you go into any one of the courses, you'll be able to see that all of these are mobile optimized, which people can start and the students can start using it. Okay, we're halfway through. We've completed 8, and next comes the LMS. So how do you upload this? Uploading is pretty easy. When you come here to community, you can create course in a couple of seconds. You just have to click on create. You can straight away go here, name your course. You can call this as my new course And then you can straight away like put a description here. You can publish it. You can upload an image if you wish to. So you want to like upload any one of the images. I can take this image here, and let's say I crop and select this image. So I'm ready with the thumbnail that's ready for my course here. I can straight away crop and select that. And once it's completed, I can straight away go into the next step, that is like saving this option and going to the course content. Now I can create sections here. I can call this as section 1, and I create this. And I can also create another section which is called as section 2. So these could be like day 1, day 2 kind. And then you can upload the videos under each. Can you see that? You can upload a video directly here. You can click on browse. You can browse your system and you can start uploading them. Or you could go to YouTube, put the ID here. You can put a text. You can do it image-based, PDF, slide document, audio, or you can even connect Video Cipher, which is the hosting platform. From there directly you can start hosting your courses here as well. So once you've created this, you'll have your ready to use LMS, which will be ready. You can understand how many videos it's, what's the duration of that, and you can also preview by just clicking on this. So you can understand how your LMS would look like, what are the courses, and how people will be adding a comment. So finally, you will have a full-fledged student portal that you can build for your clients, especially if they're trainers and coaches. Next is about the calendar automation. You can simply come here to calendars and you can create a complete calendar like Calendly. So you can completely replace a lot of options. This is very, very powerful when it comes to it. I can go here, I can click on new one. I can call this as my new calendar, and I'm going to go here and customize in front of you. So I would say that I probably want to meet them on Zoom. So I can enter a Zoom link here. Okay, you can add the actual Zoom link, but I'm just going to like add google.com here. I can write my description here. I can mention how many slots do I want. And I can also say that how many days further I want bookings. I would say only 2 days. And what's the duration of my calls? These could be 45-minute calls. And directly I can set my time zone. I want to like skip Sunday. And I could also add like multiple times. Maybe 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. I can mention. And then I can put here 2 p.m. onwards. And then I go all the way probably till like 7 p.m. or something like that. So I can use this on a couple of things. I can like customize this. And in the future, if you want to like, you're traveling or not available, you can just come here and add a date override. And along with that, you can add your name, email ID, phone number. You can also create custom fields. In case you want to like ask some special questions, you can click on custom field. And this will give you the ability to create any question. So you can ask a single line, multi-line, you can ask a number, you can ask phone number, you can ask even the monetary amount that they're ready to invest, or you can give them options like this. Can you see that? It's a single, it's a radio button. So I would probably go with this just to show you. So what describes you? So the moment I say, I could say like agency, and then I would go here as a freelancer. And then I would probably put here as a coach. Okay, so once I've entered this, I just go click on save. And the moment it's saved here, I've created a custom field which was not there. Right now you can see here, it's not here. The moment I just go here and hit a refresh button, so it'll pull the data right from that custom field, what describes you. You see that? And now I can go create this event and I can activate this calendar. So if you see my new calendar, I can go here, paste this link. You can see the domain is on my domain, whatever domain you use, and people can book calls directly. So they can say 9 a.m., they click on this, they can enter the name, email ID, phone number, what describes you, agency, freelancer, coach. You can select Zoom and you can schedule the event. And the moment you've scheduled this, this will automatically come into your appointments. You'll be able to track every single appointment that's available here. And you can also see in detail who's the person who's booked the appointments, your past appointments, what is the date range you want to see, what the cancel appointments. And in case somebody is already booked an appointment and they didn't show, you can mark them as no show. And these data will be tracked right in your dashboard. So every single time you're marking the calendar, right from how many people booked it, how many people didn't show up, and how many people actually showed up to your calendar is going to be tracked right here. Can you see that? Booked 9, 5 cancelled, 1 no show. So entire analytics is in one single place. Next is about the chat groups. In your community, you can have and completely replace all of that chat groups like Telegram or WhatsApp, any of those, and implement your own updates. You can have your people registering here, and you can also like assign this directly from your automation. So people can directly like start automation, and within your automation workflow itself, you can allot people to a group. Now let's say somebody buys a product or service and then you want to allot them to group. You click on operation and then you say copy contact and then you select the group here. Okay, or you can straight away go here and allot them to the group access. You can give them a group access straight from here. You can say silver member, gold member, and the moment you've added this, whenever a new sale or new member is coming in, they'll be allotted the group access, and you can give even the access to the courses here. So you can select that and you can go and search for course access, click on this, and you can select which course access would you like to give. So you can mention specifically you want to give it to a bundle access, or you probably want to give to individual course. You can decide that as well. So that's about the group access here. And next is the leaderboard. So inside your student portal, if your client is a trainer and coach, this is going to be the cakewalk, because they can track every person who's engaged in the social network, which you can see here as a community. People will have their own Facebook and Instagram kind, update their content, interact with each other, and the person who interacts more is going to be on leaderboard in last 7 days, 30 days, and all time. Okay, and having said that, the next one is about sub-staff. So you can have multiple sub-staff that you can allot them and give them permissions as well. So you can go straight away to setting as a sub-account. You can create a staff here and you can allot the permissions. You can decide what to give, what not to give, and this enables your client to have more control over this all-in-one automation system. The social network is what you just had a look. So you can completely have your own social network for your clients who will be using it like a Facebook, or completely customizable of their own for only their students or clients. Next is custom mobile app. So we have a lot of apps that's been created and launched on the App Store and the Play Store, which enables a lot of businesses to start using them and start getting them. So this helps a lot of businesses to do it. For example, we just type like top funnel app and we click on enter. So let me show you this. Yes, so we can go here and click on top funnel app, or we go into any one of them like App Store or maybe Android Play Store and click on enter. We go here and then we could search multiple apps here. Okay, there is the whole development that happens. One of the brand are like top funnel. Let's search for top funnel and you can see here, right? So this is the exact app that's been completely like listed here. You can see like every single opportunities that's been put up here and you can start using. So you will get a completely customized app for your agency as well. Similarly, like top funnel, which is one of our premium users that's available there. And you'll get a completely white labeled agency in the sense this entire account, whatever you're looking at, is one single sub account. So the product that you're selling at this point of time is this product. So you show to the entrepreneurs, you tell them that why do they need this? They can generate leads, they can manage leads, and they can automate everything in one place. And this is the product which you'll be selling. And for you to manage all of this, you can have your own admin panel. So this is where we bring in the black label agency, where you straight away like log in and you will be able to see how many sub accounts you have, how many white label accounts you have, and you can create your pricing plan, sell it as your own. You can manage your finances. You can have your staff which are here, and you can have your own affiliate program, or you could probably refer this also in the future, lot more. So this is like running your complete business all in one place. So this is what I want to introduce you to the black label agency. Now, why do we call it as black label agency? Because you will have the ability to create sub accounts under your brand. So in case you're using a name by anything, for example, Top Funnel is one of our users. We've built the tech for them. We've customized it for them. So they are helping business owners in different ways. So they can create anything under Top Funnels. Plus, they can also white label that to their clients. When I say white label, they can create it to anyone in their name, on their brand, the ability to do that. So when I say it's a black label, it's a complete power so that you can sell sub accounts, white label, and you can manage every single client of yours in one single place. So to quickly give you a graphical representation, the first one, any business can use all of these features which you look at here. When you look into any of these sub accounts, all the features like WhatsApp, CRM, and automation is completely like manageable by every business, and it is a need for businesses to get started organizing that. So this will be anywhere between about $3,999 per month is a very ideal price to sell this to your clients. Second one is coaches. So you can easily sell this with the community access, with their own community, with courses, LMS, and all that stuff. Just at rupees 5,999, even if the market price is like 5,999 to 10,000 rupees, you can charge them per month anywhere between these prices, and coaches and trainers and course creators will be very happy to pay you this. And the final one is the white label. Now let's say that some brand comes in and a coach comes in and says, I want all in my name, in the sense like I want the sub account in my name, I want the community in my name, I need a mobile app on my name. Then you can give them the white label. Okay, when you sell the white label, you can sell it at a very easy price of 79,999 onwards to at least like 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh also. So your black label agency will be handling clients, along with that also offering them a software as a service where it makes your life convenient as an agency freelancer to manage all your clients in one. Imagine like 10 clients are there, you're running ads for them, you want to manage them, you want to manage their emails. Everything happens in one single place. You can log into their accounts. Since you are the agency owner, you own this black label, you can straight away go here, log into your client's account. You can do the editing part. You can fix them without asking login IDs, passwords, and a lot of things. And this also avoids you logging into different customer portals, raising tickets, not needed. All in one place. This makes your life more easy as an agency freelancer or a coach. And all three, like all businesses at just 4,000 rupees a month, you can sell it. Coaches, you can sell it at 6,000 to 10,000. White label from 79,999 to easily 1.2 to 1.5 lakh. This has been the market size which are like completely like ruling the industry. So my question to you is, are you ready to build a recurring business in your agency freelancing or coaching? So if you don't have money coming in, you don't have a business. This is a beautiful quote I want to quote. If you are running an agency, freelancing, or coaching business, you're selling products for one time, you're selling services there, and you're not having the money that's coming next month, then you don't have a business. So the best way to build a business is to build a recurring. Now imagine you're going to like let your clients go pick up some tools. They could pick up Calendly, they could pick up a Zoho CRM, or they could pick up ClickFunnels or some other platforms that's out there. But using all of these, if you look at, how about you creating your own brand, black labeling and white labeling your own name into this powerful automation system, and making your clients take your own system because they are with you and they will start subscribing to your product, and this will help them retain with you. They will stay with you. They're not going to be jumping from one agency to another agency, because this will help them get the convenience and also you an opportunity to start earning the next one. So what I want you to do right now is, if you watch this particular video till the end, I want to appreciate you and thank you personally for going through every single part, because I know that if you reach to this point, you are the entrepreneur who really want to take that step and make it happen. If you're watching till now, the calendar link is right below this particular video. Book a call with us. We will get on this call personally with you, run you through this, share everything about how the system works. You have any questions, and along with that, we also will be sharing the entire investment plans, how exactly you can monetize this, and what will be the pricing of it, what will be the costing of it, how to create it, how to promote it, and with a lot of case studies. So this call is going to be one of the most powerful calls you're going to be booking, because this is not about buying a product or service. This is about getting a business opportunity that your business is going to go to a whole new level. So book a call right now, and we're excited to meet you very, very soon on the other side.